All right, an assignment, a very small assignment for you, right? Identify that mean the difference between these two terms, these two sentences, right? What is the difference, right? Do you find any difference between in the attitude or in the mentality of the person, right, who is saying these words, right? Do you find any difference, right, in these two terms, in these two sentences, right? That's a thinking session for you, and just let me know in the description session, in the description column, right? What do you think, right? In what is the difference in these two sentences, right? Now, characteristics of culture, right? So culture, just like we were discussing, is a way of life, right? So similarly, it is a collective mental programming. What the main word is, collective, right? It is not going to be someone, an individual, right? It is a collective mental programming, right? Or another thing you can say, if you want to explain it in more detail, right? So collective mental programming, just like your PC, right, or your cell phone, right, that your cell phone or your PC needs an operating system, right? So for example, Windows 10, right, or Android or iOS, right? So those are, you can say, operating systems which guide your appliance, or which guide your device how to perform, how to do calculations. Same as, you can say, culture is behaving in the lives of people, right? So it is a software for people to behave in the society, right? And for example, if a child is born, right, you pick that child. He was born in US, right, in Houston, right? You pick that child and put it in a forest where there is no contact with any human being, right? How that upbringing of that child is going to happen, right? He is going to be totally looking at animals, right? So that is because he is seeing the surrounding, he is looking at the things that is near him, right? And he's going to pick all these things, and he will start to adopt all these things, right? Maybe you can say, for example, if a child is born in a Western society, right, and then within 3 months of his birth, his parents or her parents are shifted or migrated to China, right? So later on, when that child is going to start going to school, he that child is going to pick all the things from that society, right? So same is what it is, the collective mental programming, or you can say it is the software of mind. Whatever is going to be feeded in that mind is going to be applied. Same applies for the religion. If a child is born, right, in Muslim society, he is going to practice the Muslims, right? If he is born in Christian society, he is going to be brought up as Christian. If he is going to be born in Hindu society, he is going to be brought up as Hindu, right? So the religion is also, you can say, kind of a software to lead the life, right? So this is what characteristic of culture is.